Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I want to explain my final project of methodology in TESOL course. I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Farel Saidnanda Zaufa, and my student number is 221101060044. I want to explain about TBLT, or Task-Based Language Teaching. What is TBLT? TBLT is approach to language instruction that focus on the use. Language teaching, or TBLT, is emphasizing in real world text to facilitating about language learning. TBLT is aimed to enhance a student communication skill by engaging him in authentic language use. TBLT promote natural learning, strict motivation, and development language learning in the classroom. Of TBLT, according to Willis 1996, test-based language teaching has aimed. Number one is give student confidence in language they know, and number two is give student the experience of spontaneous reaction, and number three is give student the opportunity to benefit from paying attention how others express similar meaning. Number four is provide opportunities for students to negotiate to speak. Number five is involve students in using language intentionally and cooperatively. Number six is make student in using language. Number six is make student participate in complete interaction, not just one time sentence. And number seven is provide opportunities for student to try communication strategies. Number 8 is develop student self-confidence that they can achieve communication purpose. Next is the characteristic of TBLT. Number 1 is emphasizing on meaning rather than form, and focus on communication than rather discrete from based exercise. And number 3 is encourage student to convey their thoughts orally and writing based on the lesson them, and prioritize meaning analysis from communication operation. And number 5 is center activities around completing tasks using language as a tool. Is center classroom activities around and completing tasks using language as a tool. And number 6 is incorporate principles such as scaffolding, test chain, recycling, organic learning, active learning, integration, reflection, and moving from copying aggression. To improve language skill. How TBLT improve language skill? Task-based language learning, or TBLT, improve language skill by providing opportunities for students to engage in authentic language use through meaningful tasks. By focusing on communication and meaning rather than just grammar rules, TBLT helps students develop fluency and proficiency in target language. Additionally, TBLT enhance students' writing, organization, content, grammar, and lexical complexity, leading to higher quality writing products. How teacher and student in TBLT approach. In task-based language teaching, teacher takes a role as task selector and sequencer, preparing students for tasks and raising awareness about language use. They guide students in task selection, adaptation, and shaping, provide task direction, and facilitate other language learning. Students, on the other hand, participate in tasks, monitor language use, and innovate by interpreting and generating messages with limited resources. Engaging enhance their communication skill. Okay, TBLT has a three activity. Number one is pre-activity, and number two is main activity, and number three is post activity. In number one, in pre-activity, the time allocation is 15 minutes, and the detail is the teacher explain the material and give example. Okay, I wanna explain to you is like inside this classroom there are several objects that are very important for the teaching and learning process. In the corner of the room there are many tables and chairs arranged neatly for the student to sit during the lesson. At the front of the classroom there is a large blackboard used by the teacher and write explanation and example. Behind the blackboard, there is a bookshelf with several books and learning materials stored in the labeled drawer. There are also some ceiling light provide sufficient lighting in this classroom. In the corner, there are some extra chairs and round table for group discussion. There are also some ceiling lights that provide sufficient lighting in this classroom. In the corner, there are some extra chairs and round table from group discussion. On the walls of the classroom, there are some educational posters that provide additionally information for students. In the text above, notice the expression using there is are to express the existence of something. For example, is there is are a classroom in the school. Number two is there are 3 books on the table. Use unspecified number words like little, few, some, many, much, or a lot to give information the unspecified quantities. For example, there are many students in the classroom. There are some pens in the drawer. Make use of prepositional phrase like in, on, under, in front of, below, or above to describe position of an object. The example is there are many students in the classroom. There is a whiteboard in the front of the classroom, and there are 20 desks and chairs in the classroom. Number 2 is the main activity. The time allocation is 30 minutes. Students practice writing a text about object in the classroom using a method as explained by the teacher in the pre-activity. In the post-activity is students who have finished working come forward in the front of class and read the result of their writing. After that, the teacher gives feedback for each student who has come forward.